Alright, so we're under the hood now. Like all modern day cars, they have this cover on here. We're gonna remove that. Should be a pin right here, two here, two here. So we're gonna lift up here. This pops right up. Pops right up. Now we can see these are our spark plugs, the distributors. We're gonna remove these bolts. We need a 10mm socket for that. First thing I do though is unclip. Unclip pins. Trying to do that, squeeze it down. Try not to break the pins. Squeeze them down, break the pins apart. Alright. Okay, those out of the way. All right, removed all the bolts from the boots. Finish with that. These should just pull right up, and they do. You want to inspect the gaskets, make sure these still good and intact, and that your boots okay. You don't need to replace them. This is the coil, and I'll keep them in order when I put them down. I'm gonna remove the spark plugs. All right, spark plug should come right out. For any reason, I just ordered NGKs this time. Just on the threads. Also, just on the threads. That's it. All right, now I'm gonna place this one back in. I placed the anti-seize on there. No, just drop them in. I'll just go down slowly. Start off hand tightening. Make sure I don't cross thread them. But I'm going to use my common sense and just go down until it's clips tight enough. All right, now for the boot protector stuff, we'll just place a little bit down in there. Like so. Put it around on the boot. See? All right, then I'll line it back up. And we're placing our force bolt back in. And this is the 10mm. And plug this back in. And it's all done. Now, I'm gonna do the same thing for all four of those, and I'll probably speed the rest of the video up. But that's it basically. And changed out the spark plugs. And use this for the boot protector and anti-seize so it won't be so hard to get off in 120,000 miles, which Spark plugs all changed. Now, place this pretty BTI cover back on here. Let's see, it goes on this pin, so you want to line that up. Basically do the opposite of what you did. All done. Spark plug change on a 2012 Toyota Camry SE.